Does the idea of handling nails or screws for any and every small task deter you? Well, it may just be the time to finally put those tools away, since EZlifego mounting tape could actually be the perfect practical solution. Using this heavy-duty tape will stick to virtually any clean and solid surface and remain firm there. Secure your mobile phone while driving, and will not leave any residue because there's no glue. What's cool is that it can be washable and reusable both indoors and outside. You simply cut it down to the required length, remove the clear liner, and stick it to almost anything. It is strong enough to keep your carpet securely in place once the desired placement and alignment is appropriately ensured. A novel alternative to traditional tools, EZlifego tapes revolutionized the nano grip technology such that it is swiftly deployed in diverse scenarios, be it huge festivals or simple birthdays. Before you use it, make sure the surface you are working with is clean, dry, and free of oil or dirt. Please note, the tape works best on smooth and solid surfaces, such as glass, metal, and plastic. We strongly recommend against using on fragile surfaces, so as to avoid their peeling off. EZlifego makes your life easier.